For months now, we've been sharing stories with you of the struggle of hospitals in Middle Tennessee's rural areas.
Now a glimmer of hope in the healthcare industry. A hospital in Paris, Tennessee just hired their first full-time heart doctor.
And as News Channel 5's Kyle Horan learned, this means patients with life-threatening heart issues won't have to travel 2 hours to Nashville now for treatment.
On the lowest floor of Henry County Medical Center, there's a room with a lot of pedaling.
I'm bicycling, get my heart rate up.
You'll find cardiac patients there, all with heart issues they're working through to be healthier.
My widowmaker was almost completely blocked.
You'll find Jane.
Our community is a retirement community, so I'm sure if age has anything to do with heart, it's going to be a huge benefit for our area.
She's a good example of patients who will benefit from Paris, Tennessee's newest physician, Dr. Wayne Gibson, the cardiologist. It's his third day on the job.
Yesterday was a busy day. I've seen 8 consults so far.
Dr. Gibson is not just any cardiologist. Through St. Thomas Health, he's the hospital's first full-time heart doctor.
Hospitals are struggling, especially rural hospitals, and there's a great disparity between the urban population and the rural population.
Gibson says the number of physicians in rural areas is lower in general, but especially in Tennessee, where hospital problems are well documented.
I doubt there's a day that goes by that a helicopter doesn't take a patient out.
According to Dr. Scott Whitby, before now, many patients with the need for cardiac care had to travel 2 hours to Nashville. And even though cardiologists have worked at the hospital on a part-time basis, there's great benefit to have Dr. Gibson on site.
The travel to tertiary care is difficult, and it's particularly difficult if you're sick with a heart condition.
It gives people like Jane some peace of mind.
I'll be here the rest of my life because I want to be healthy.
And Dr. Gibson says it should help Paris's heart program grow to new programs with more care. Kyle Horan, News Channel 5.
A hospital spokesperson told us it took 2 years to get that position filled.